Grade 4, Module 3, Lesson 6 homework. Represent the following problem by drawing discs in the place value chart. Problem number 1. To solve 30 times 60, think 3 tens times 6 times 10. Modeling what that looks like, we have 3 tens times 6. So I need to make 3 groups of 10, but I need to do it times 6, so 6 times. So there's 2 times, there's 3 times, 4 times, 5, and 6. So let's go ahead and circle our groups of 3. There's a group of 3, there's our second group of 3, our third group of 3, 4 groups, 5 groups, and 6 groups. Now we need to take all those and we need to times them by 10. Remember, every time you times by 10, you go up 1 place value in your place value chart. So all of those tens are going to turn into the hundreds place value. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And it leaves you with 6 groups of 3 in the hundreds spot. Well, if we know all those equal hundreds, we end up with 18 in the hundreds spot. So that looks like 18 hundreds, which in math we call 1,800. We could also group this problem as 30 times 6 times 10, and that also is going to give us 1,800. So 30 times 60 equals 1,800. And we modeled it right over here with our place value chart. Problem number 2. Draw an area model to represent 30 times 60. Well, an area model is going to take some sort of rectangle. And we want to do 30, so I'm going to let that be 30, times our 60. We know area is length times width. So we have 30 times 60. And in class you might have seen all the little boxes, 30 and then 60. That's 3 tens times 6 tens. That's going to create 18 hundreds. And that's what our area model looks like. So when we fill in the rest of the information below, it says 3 tens right here times 6 tens. That's 18 hundreds. Because we went from tens and multiplied by another tens, and that's going to create the hundreds category, and that's 18 hundreds in math, 1,800.